This easy sounds useful. Let me see. Is it in my code? This stuff might hang up. But let me see first. It might not still hang up also. Maybe the network is going to survive. I don't know. But the network might not survive. Let's just see how it goes. You guys, good, good, good evening. Who is watching live and where are you watching from? Because I cannot see anybody. So if you are in the live call, just kind of like drop your comment. Wait, this comment definitely work. Maybe in the road too. I don't know. Since I came home, I've been having issues with network. Like very, very poor network. Very, very poor network. I hope the network will. I don't know. This one is just this one. So this see all this rat is doing. It's just like loading. It's not doing anything. It's not like doing anything. It's just loading. What the heck? I don't. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Oh, I can see there's one person is viewing us live. Who is that? Who are you? Who goes you? This stuff not supposed to take time. You can't dey load like say tomorrow no day. So what's going on the chat? I can see I've not been here for some days now. I think I've not been here since I've not been here since like last week, I guess. Yeah. I recently traveled back to Lagos. I am now in the city of Lasgidi, and my motherfucking network has just gone blue. The network is misbehaving now. But I guess it's going to stabilize though. So I'm just having time since more this street just the blood of Jesus. So I'm just having time since I came back, entered Lagos yesterday now. I've not even opened the forex chat at all, like nothing. I don't even know what's going on there. And that's why we're here now. So let's go and read, let's go and check. Let's go and check. Let's see how the market is. So if you are here already, like I said, I don't know if you can see. Is the live recorded? Is it live? Is this live or recorded? Agbo Emmanuel. It is live. Oh, I don't know what you mean by that though. But it's live. It's not a recorded. I mean, it's not a recording. It's being recorded though. It is being recorded as we speak right now. Okay, let's get into that. No, this is not a video, Jerry. So, hey, if you are live, if you are watching me live, welcome. And I don't even know. It's only Agbo Emmanuel is it Agbo Emmanuel? Yeah. So if you are here, just retweet the space. Let others join in. I don't know if I have like a good network though, because I'm looking at this network now. Since I came, you can see what I searched for. My network is not fast. And I'm using my 5G, bro. What will I do like this? And the annoying part here is that the router is showing 5G. When I was in Port Harcourt Sky, this is not the show 5G. Highest that I will get to be 4G plus. 4G plus. But right now, it's showing complete 5G with the whole network since I came to Lagos yesterday. But I don't get the upload. Like if I connect with my phone now, it's not fast. I have to now use my sub in my Airtel. That's on my SIM. So I couldn't even use the router. Now it's showing download speed of 35. Before it's not even up to. I swear before it was not up to 3 for 5G router. Okay, name it. See, it's even showing. See, it's showing the stream quality as very poor, and you can see upload speed of 34.84 megabytes per second. So I don't. This mass is not massing. I swear to God, the mass is not even. It's not massing at all, because at this rate, at this rate, showing upload speed of at this rate, for this thing showing upload speed of, what's it called now, 34. Not download speed. Download speed is not. It's upload speed we use for streaming. It's supposed to be extremely fast. So let me try it again. Maybe the thing just didn't misbehave. But I'm sorry. I'm sure it's not misbehaving. I'm sure. Let's see it again, sure. I don't want to do this face, then the thing will cut whenever on. See what I'm saying. It's not up to 5 megabytes per second. God. God, I beg. See what I'm saying? You see how this thing is. Oh, this thing dey fluctuate now. ADSG. I'm coming. I need to set the network. Like, if I don't set the network now, this thing's going to disconnect, and I'll now have to start again. And I don't like doing that. Right? I don't like it at all. Like, when I'm already talking and then the thing just disconnect, guy, if they pay me. So the download speed now is 5 megabytes per second. So you see now, streaming quality bad. But look at the upload speed, 25 megabytes per second. Let's go and check what's the, it's supposed to be like 30. So what's the speed usable for streaming? Let's see what it will do. Okay, streaming high quality is around 5 to 10 MB per second, 15 to 25 megabytes per second. Are you seeing that? This one is ultra, 25 megabytes per second. I have 25 megabytes per second. On the norms, I used to have close to 70 something here. That when I'm in Port Harcourt. But now that I've come to Lagos, why is this still showing this thing as bad? Guy. No, this thing will bust my head. This thing they do what? They bust my brain. alarm is this now? I need to deactivate so many apps. So many. See now, you see why this is so fluctuating like crazy. It showed how many before? 5, right? 5. Now it's 13 and 22. I could just listen, Jerry. I could just jump. Anyway, it cut. You guys just know that I tried my best trying to balance it off. I tried. So, I got first guys joining. Oh, there are 23 of you guys watching us. Oh, alright, thank you very much. So if you want me to analyze the page just the way this guy Agbo Emmanuel dropped, just tell me that's 80 years. I'm keeping it in mind. Let's just go straight to the chat now. Let's see what's going on. If you can disconnect, all the best though. All the best. I don't be on that down. I just get on that down. So I'm looking at DX right now, yeah. I'm looking at DXY, okay, and what I'm seeing on DXY is strength. You know why? Do you know why? Because well, it was expected, sha. So last week and upper week, yeah, I said something. I was expecting. Actually said it now, yeah. Did I not say it? I said it. I said I was expecting that DX was gonna go up, like it get stronger, because I expect Trump should do everything within his power to like make sure that the dollar index gets strong before the end of the year, so that when we're starting off in January, you know, that kind of a thing. So that's what I'm still expecting. So whatever is right, I just take it. It might just be a little retracement. You get, it might be a little retracement, and the whole bullish move is going to start. Because if DXY is doing this now, I can clearly, let's say I can clearly see it that it's I can clearly see that it's bullish. Clearly, okay, clearly see that it's bullish. So let's just go and let me show you what I mean by this. So this is the DX index. So let's see from the 2-hour time frame, right? So you know I'm very big on two-way structures, right? So if you look to the left now, you see that the last break of structure for here. Oh, this is beautiful. The last break of structure is here, okay? And then after that break of structure, I have something like this. So this is the first break of structure in the opposite direction, right? So let's start this as X. Well, this thing is too big, though. It's in the happen. What's going on? Wait, let me see. Let's see. Oh, now Faka is in 20. So this is the first break of structure here, okay? Then you see what a second break of structure here. This alone verifies this one. Alright. Even if I don't repeat this one, you can see the break of structures already, and they verify the movement for me. I'm really big on break of structure. So this is what's going to happen, right? If this is the 2-hour time frame, I have this OB to be mitigated. If it doesn't respect this OB, then we are left with this to be as an inducement, and this unmitigated PRI to was being mitigated. You get, so where price is at the moment, price is supposed to start moving upwards from here. You get, it's supposed to start moving up. Oh, my router is charging. Okay, it's charging. So price is supposed to start moving upwards from here. Yeah. It's supposed to start moving up from here. Now If it doesn't happen, no other. If it not happen, the fighter now. If it happen, all the best. If it not happen, no problem. So, and what this will mean is, it's going to affect RUSD, GVS, and the rest of them. Now, I understand that price action is all shitty and all that, right? But when we talk about December price action, I'm not really saying, or let me just explain it to you this way. We're not really saying, for the fact that, the December price action is terrible and is bad. No, we're saying that it is not usually the best time to trade. You know why? Because there might be too many manipulations at that time, and you might not be experienced to trade it. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. So you might not be experienced to trade it. Market will still move what you want to move, but let me just tell you how it will move. It will be more choppy, right? And not just that it will be more choppy. It will it's more choppy. It's slow. It's not moving fast. Start doing this, giving these ranging vibes. Then also, one of the things to expect in December price action is the shift of trend is usually sudden. So you can see it as bullish now, and then suddenly becomes what bearish. Suddenly becomes bullish again, and then like bearish again. So you'll be like, which trend is on? Let's know what you're doing, right? Okay. So this is the exercise. So to focus on what it's doing at the moment, I'm expecting it to continue going up. Okay. So I say it's continue going up. So if it doesn't respect this here, like I said, we have this other one here. So expect it to go up, and then where is it? 1, 2, and then it's supposed to at least get to this high. Yes, it's supposed to at least get to this high before anything. So before any pullback or whatever, it's supposed to get to this high. So this would be, let's call it our, should we call it drawing the liquidity now? Yeah, so call it drawing liquidity. So this would be our drawing liquidity. Yeah, so it's about drawing liquidity. Okay. So let's go back to 4 hours. I just needed to show you those confirmations. That's it. I need to delete it. That is drawing. I don't like to put them on my chart. It's when I'm making explanations like this that I do so. Then we have Euro USD. So for Euro USD, I'm holding. There's a sell here. There's a sell here. You can see this. You can see this level here. There's a sell I'm holding at the moment now. Stop loss placed here. I kind of like missed it with, hold on. So we have 1, yeah, 1 and 2. So I kind of like missed it on my Propram account. This sale activated yesterday. I was in transit coming back to Lagos yesterday, so I didn't take it in prop. I was only able to take it in personal, but you know I couldn't take it in prop because it's prop account. I can't just, well, on the road. I don't want to subject it to any sudden movement, and then I'm kicked out of the market, start complaining that I should have repaid, stuff like that. So because the funded account. So so look at this now. To the left, you have a break of structure here. Okay, I also have, that's one. Then you also have a second break of structure here. So this basically is the main reason I'm selling. I see that it is now what here. So you have like this break 1 and what break 2. So this is now bearish, right? But this high confirms it for us. So that's what I'm selling here. I'm not even giving inducement. So that's what I'm selling here. So now if it doesn't respect, now the thing is, if it's that it doesn't respect it, and at the end of the day it goes up to hit stop loss, right? I still have one more position that will still be on the focus list, which will be here. Okay, which will be there. So yes, so that's on Euro USD. Alright, it's on Euro USD. Let's check GBP USD. Haven't traded this bros in a while. Man, GBP USD is giving bearish vibe too. overall trend still holds, but it's giving a bearish vibe, like strong one though, strong one. Because if you check 2 hours, right, you already know what I'm looking for. So you have series of break of structure to the downside like this, yes. So you have series of break of structure like this. So to break, in fact, this one has already swept liquidity here. So when you swept liquidity, I didn't take this trade though. You know, when you're in transit like that, when you're not balanced, it's not good that you just, you understand. So I didn't take this. I was taking this, but I didn't take it. So now that price is already at this PRI, so it will be like a QMR. Let me just put that one there. It will be like a QMR, like a Quasimodo. Let's take this trade here. But there's something I taught you guys about Quasimodo. Remember when I was saying that the QMR is also from the reclaim block. The reclaim block, the way it works is it has to be a failed block that later came back to be reclaimed. In this case, it's supposed to be like this, yeah? But it's not valid. The reason why it's not valid is because this was tested around this level. So instead of using it, we cannot use it anymore. Then we use the other block that has not been mitigated. So unmitigated other block becomes the focus here. So since unmitigated other block becomes the focus here, then we also have price trading into it now. Price is traded into it here. Now I can't see any on I can't see any unmitigated POI above. None. No unmitigated POI above. So if price is going to flip this last POI that I've marked here, then I wouldn't be expecting it to sell anymore, because okay, I can even see a sell trend here too. So truly, I won't be expecting it to like sell again if it does that. If it goes above this zone or this level, okay. So this will be my focus like this. So stop loss just like this, and then take profit like this. Is going to be very far though. So here's into 5 hours. So you are the consumer. If this stop loss placement is not right though. Normal. So this is the high here. This cover is covered but it has been mitigated, so there's no need for that. This is too much. 6.5 is okay. This is going up. It's not entirely trade, so this is exactly at consequent encroachment. 5.67 is too much. 5 is okay. So today's what? Today's Wednesday. Oh, beautiful. You know why I used to ask for dates or days? Is because I use them a lot to determine, oh, price is going to distribute this way or price is not going to distribute this way. You get? So if price is going to distribute in a certain way, yeah, count me in, I'm going to use it. But if price is not going to distribute in a certain way, no, I'm not the user. I'm not going to use it. You get? Okay. So what's that? My mouthpiece is like it's singing song in my ears. That's strange. So let's go. Jesus. So we have one active trade with GU. Yeah, we have one active trade with GU. Active. Ouch. So we have one active trade with GBP USD. Alright. GBP USD. Let me see. So the stop loss is at 1.33566. And the TP is at 1.32600. Oh, I need to sleep. I need to sleep, although I've been sleeping all day. Yeah. Man, I think this enough. Sour. It's slapping my mouth. What's it called now? Right, my life. Pulpy orange. So that's GU. So I made it clear that GU is like bearish now. Let's see something first. Another thing to consider is the higher time frame in POIs, like here. So until price comes here, I'm not going to be expecting any rejection in price. This is why I'm marking that level is a key level. When price comes down, so what price is doing, like, okay, it's like throwing the way I used to call it, I'll say price is throwing tantrums. It's just throwing tantrums until it comes to this level or more. So that level will be where, okay, I'll be expecting any, if at all, I'll be expecting any significant move right there. So I need to enter the trade though. Today is Wednesday. This trade with the entry, so because if it's still going to be at entry till that rollover time, the rollover will usually be double. It will be double, that's times 3. So, and just like which trade did I take now? I closed the trade. The commission, I did the swap on top of that trade. Usually it's proper account that would like that. Was up to $50 something because I held it since last week. So I'm just going to, I'll just take it so I don't forget. Sometimes I might forget it. So where is it? I'll just take it. GBP USD. I need to add it first inside. I need to add it also in my watch list. GBP USD. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this. GU. How much am I ever risking now? Since I'm just entering it. More. I don't know whether it's because this thing I drank or my throat is not even clear. Let's see someone drop the comment. Okay, no comment. So since I'm just going in now, my entry obviously will not be here. My entry obviously will be at the current market price, which is at 1.3340. So I'm going to put it there myself. So I'm entering it now, but I need to adjust. I'm just thinking I should adjust the stop loss to this level. To be honest, that's what I'm thinking. I should adjust stop loss to this high. This high on top of this level. That's why I just want to adjust it. So I've adjusted it now. Okay. Since that is done, I think I should adjust this to the ERL. So it basically should just be like a 3-hour day. Okay. So taking this trade with how much should I use on this trade now? Let's first of all see it first. I need to consider all factors inside. So it's a 2, and then 1.8 will be 1.7. Let me use 1.8. Use standard lot 1.8. What's going on now? I thought I've taken the trade, it's not showing now. The trade not too cool. What's going on? Done. This thing should not whine me like this again. I was thinking that waiting happen now. So I'm taking the trade now. I'm not connected to my. I didn't carry the speaker safe. I didn't take the speaker. I don't like traveling with loads at all, bro. So I didn't take the speaker. If not, you would have heard it. So let me see to sound. We sounded there. So I've taken the trade now. On this account, I'm only going to be risking $34. The take profit is 100.80 $100.80. So on other accounts, I'll just risk what I plan to risk there. I don't know where this. I've been on a trade like 2 days now. AUD and ZD. That trade keeps reversing. Bro, where are you? Wait, just just go where you suppose go. Just go where you suppose go. Why you dey give me headache now? What kind of thing is this that this AUD and ZD is doing? Just go, sure. Oh, that big. So if you are taking the trade, I'm just leaving it in the screen for you to take, just in case you want to. I guess you're taking the trade now. I'm only waiting so you take it and adjust whatever you're adjusting. So I feel like taking I'm setting you high. So for the stop loss on GU, stop loss is at 1.33625. I repeat it again, 1.33625. Right. Then the take profit is the external visibility, which is a low there, which is at 1.32876. You get. Okay. When did I have a missed call? I have a missed call. I'm not going to see the call. GBP, yes. Because I did the trade for the other account. My mind already like how much Jesus. That's why I said there's a mistake here. This is the big account. So I would have just this is let's say Jesus. I would have just done a mistake now. I wanted to like use the wrong website in the wrong account. Yeah, that's why I like what I used to do by confirming everything. I confirm all the trades I do. Before taking the trade out, I take a look at it if it's correct. Before I take it. If it's not correct, I'll first of all check, okay, which account am I trading? That's the first thing first. Once I've confirmed that this account I'm trading, next now to check is, okay, which lot size am I using? Then once I've confirmed the lot size I'm using, then the third thing is, did I put the stop loss? I don't really care about the TP. That stop loss is like the main thing in my own books. Once I say, oh, I put stop loss, I put TP, and I use the right left side, and I can now enter, that place where you say, okay, to enter the trade. But once those things are not set, I can't me out there. Because I have blown accounts. You know that moment when you blown account, like a blown account because of that nonchalant attitude you get. I've blown account because of that nonchalant attitude that I can't realize. Right? So we are in the trade. Let's see how it goes. What the heck? What the hell is? Okay. If you are pushing the trade, I'm going to pick it up my screen now so that we can do something else. Alright? Okay, alright. So you guys should retweet this space. Retweet the space. The space has not ended. I'm even surprised that the space is not ended. I can see only one receipt. Is this how you people don't like this space like this? You are up to 66. Just see as you are presently watching it. You click on that three button, and just click on share broadcast. That's all. It's not going to hold you. It's not going to do anything. It's not going to give you anything. So just retweet it. There's no like first hour. So you'll not be like, I'm forcing you to retweet anything. Let's go to the next be gold. Now looking at gold, what do we see? Yay, Jesus. What kind of price action is this? A pretty gold sellers or I think a good anything you do for gold sef like this now you not go fit even see front. You no go see front like this. Mm-mm. So for gold, yeah, one thing that came to my mind as I saw this gold price action now, yeah, is one thing that I've seen this price action before. It's very similar. I'll show you, I'll show you where I saw it. Immediately after this present price, what is that? I heard the sound. Okay, watch out. Hmm? Very, 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 oh, so the last time I saw this price action was during that period before the bust, which was around May. The price actions lasted till August. Yes, May, June, July, August, 4 months. That is it. This is the price action. And after it, you remember that good buy now that was just soaring high and high and high and high. Exactly. That is it. So it's the same thing now that is doing. The same thing is already stretching out. That's given three lows already. The previous one that felt like they wanted to win, they just after two lows they broke out. Yeah, two after two lows they broke out. This one has 1, 2, 3 now. So meaning the range has officially started on good here. The range has officially started. So once you are doing on good, maybe you are just like buying at support, selling at resistance, something like that. Then you should be good. If I'm not playing, I need to buy a portable speaker because I'm used to playing music when I'm doing my chat. Oh dear Lord Jesus. Okay, no. My God, my God. My God, my God. I still see just one report. I did receipt now report. How many are in 67? Okay. Alright. Okay. So let's proceed. So that's for gold, XAU USD. I hope there's no comment. There's no comment. There is none. So for NZD, NZD USD is just like very bullish, right? Very bullish. And it's what I expect on. Wait, no. It's not what I expected. Because when I'm expecting DXY to be bullish, I expect this one to drop. But this guy is so bullish. but it's kind of like choppy because last time we did a true train like move was here. So it broke structure again now, right? And then this is where the rain started. So made a high, came back to make a low, made a high, came back to make a low. So it has not been able to break, hasn't been able to break below these lows here. Hasn't been able to break below these lows at this level, right? And we'll just leave it at that and see what price is going to do, while it does that. Because what is holding this is a fair value gap. All this level is just a fair value gap. I've not bought this thing. I've not subscribed again for this trading review. I don't think I'll be using the subscription for anything. I'll subscribe it later. See credibility. I think I need water because this coffee is getting too much. So things that you use, price is ranging, and that's what I expect. Like price is like okay, maybe break below this support, or maybe just go up and make a new high. Anyone, I'm not seeing anything tradable there, by the way. The next is AUD. And for AUD USD, as you can see, it's printing similar. Ouch. It's printing similar price action with NZD USD. It's still, you can see it's just almost the same thing too. Almost the same. Price is present, or price retested this other block. That is where we got that bullish move from. You can see there's a bullish OB here. Price mitigated it and it's still holding it up. So until we have maybe a push down or a push up before we can make a trade decision from it. Alright. Okay, so the next is AMUSD CAD. From the way this one is, I think it broke structure opposite side in the 4-hour time frame, but quickly reversed downwards because there's enough gap to fill downwards. But I can't see to break a structure, and neither can I make a decision from where price is at the moment. If the problem is, if this drop down had created a high like this before this drop, and then went up like this, and then does this, then you see where price is at the moment, would have bought from there. But no. So what price did was it just came down, okay, went up, came to the previous low, and before making this high. So that's not enough information for me to make a trade decision from. What price did it is retesting a fair value gap from the 2-hour time frame. So you see, that's what is retesting at the moment, and then it actually did a change of character. So those of you that are familiar with the change of character, which is a type, I used to call it type 1 shift, right? So this is a type 1 shift. So instead of price to break structure in line with the trend, it goes up and then it breaks structure against the trend. So usually this kind of setup would make sense to buy. Alright, so meaning that the demand level to buy from, right? Yeah. So something like this. Okay. Yeah, so something like this. Something like that. Something like this. Exactly. Just waiting 4 hours. Okay, yeah. So from 4 hours, this is where it looks. So something like this. I don't really like to use all these annotations. I will delete them. So something like this. So maybe price push below where it is at the moment. Once it pushes below where it is right now. Okay. Yeah, when it pushes below where it is right now, yeah, then we can now kind of like take that. I'm coming. then we can take a buy from there. So I might be opportune to like host the session tomorrow in the morning. Normally it's in the morning. Lagos. So we'll say Umabruku. My body meaning I have body. So I think it's time yeah, it's time for us to sell the let's sell it, let's sell it, let's sell it. Let's see it, let me go around, use the card now. Okay. Holy Ghost. If you hit top plus here, all the best though. So you guys should just be on alert. Let's see. I need to, is the target like my concern right now? Yeah. I have one yet, so it's confirmed. So you can go into the sale now. Entry is the current market price. Stop losses, you know where the stop loss is. Current market price, stop loss, okay. And that's too much, well. Use $320. Okay. How much am I gonna use? I'm gonna use 250. 250, 1.5. Oh, you don't pass the zero. That is 45. Exactly 250. So I used to put these people commission and swap. Because of commission and swap, I need to be like careful. So stop loss goes in immediately. Stop loss, I'll call it out for you. It is at 167.27. Then TP is at 1.15649. I'll call it again for you. Stop loss is at 1.16727. TP is at 1.15649. This is a very swing trade. How many are we ever? Okay. Very long trade. I don't know. Hopefully we just hope that it does what we want at the end of the day, sha. So we have our trades active and is running. We've entered EU. We entered GU. So GU is like selling. I think my trade is already running like $30 profit though. But we don't know. You know this kind, these things they can reverse at any time, right? So we entered EU. We entered EU. We just entered EU now. Said it. This thing don't cut. This thing don't cut. I dey follow myself talk since. What the heck, bro? See what I was saying? I knew that this thing was going to cut. Jesus. Can you imagine? So it disconnected. Well, I already said it to once to disconnect. I know they come on live again. No? Because tell me, my network is still. Ah, guys, this thing is annoying, bro. This thing is fucking annoying, bro. My network is still 5G. Abi, na me dey see double. My 5G network is still on. Guy, Oga o. Yoruba will say Oga o. Oga o. Let me see first. This thing disconnected o. Wait. This is not live again now. So if you disconnected me live, so where is it now streaming at now? Unable to connect. Why is it unable to connect? Is it X that disconnected me? Because it's still streaming. Wait, I I think X has maybe shadow banned me or giving me a temporal. I don't know what's going on. So this thing is streaming on my YouTube right now. Almost. Wait, let me just check first. It's X that actually stopped this thing. Whereas I was thinking that maybe I was the one. So what happened? Why is he unable to connect? What's going on? Yes, I think that will answer. As you explained that.